Welcome students of Form 4. We are again talking about free villages, free peasants and crown colony government. This time I'm going to do the same objective, the same goal again, but in other words, to show you guys that you can answer the question in multiple ways, but the content has to be in the right direction. But it is doable to do it in a different manner. For some of you has stated, sir, you expect me to do this in this manner, but my way is just a little bit different. That is possible, but some content is needed. We're going to do evaluating the impact of the free villages, and the content is following, namely, outstanding personalities described in 4 sentences, in total 4 groups of individuals who made outstanding contribution to the development of free villages. Page 84, Study Guide Caribbean History for CSEC. You can earn over here 8 marks for this. At the beginning, you return to the question. There were different groups of individuals who made outstanding personalities. There were different groups of individuals who made outstanding contributions. By doing this, you return to the question over here. Yes, so this comes back, refers to the question. Yes? Okay. Next phrase. Next one. Like, for instance, missionaries. Missionaries worked for the Catholic Church or were evangelicals, and they wanted the people to be converted to their faith. But some of them actively helped the peasants in organizing themselves. Second, so these missionaries worked for the larger Catholic or Protestant churches. They were Catholic or they were Protestant, and they helped make outstanding contributions to the development of free villages. The second group to be named is that of the Anti-Slavery Society. The Anti-Slavery Society. The abolition movement still remained active after emancipation. Also, the group of planters is significant here because some of them saw the planters needed support. And the fourth and final group to be mentioned here is that of the Baptist ministers. These were a strong binding force for local community action. So they helped local people of the islands of the British Caribbean to work together, and the church was the binding force. So you see here, this is a different way of saying it. The content is the same, but I use just slightly different words. I make just slightly different sentences to say the same thing. Yes, it is different, but still it has more or less the same content. Yes, so if you have questions, ask them below. If you have remarks or perhaps my spelling on my PowerPoint was wrong, you think that's also of course possible. I can always improve, you can always improve, so help me out. And if you have questions about the content, also ask them below. Bye.